Do you find yourself asking, where did all my money go? At the end of every month? Do you feel stuck in a cycle where it seems impossible to save, let alone get ahead? You are not alone. I've been there. That feeling of financial stress is heavy, and it can make you feel like you'll never get your head above water. But what if I told you that a fresh start is simpler than you think? It starts with one single, powerful document. Today on Rise Again TV, I'm going to show you how to build your Rise Again budget using the life-changing 50-30-20 rule. No complicated finance talk, just a clear, step-by-step plan to finally take control. Let's begin. Before we build anything, you need to understand the framework. This is the 50-30-20 rule, popularized by financial expert Elizabeth Warren. It's beautifully simple. You take your monthly after-tax income, that's the money that actually hits your bank account, and you divide it into three categories. First, 50% goes to needs. These are your essentials: rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, basic transportation, and minimum debt payments. All right, open up Google Sheets in your browser. It's free. Let's create a new blank spreadsheet. Step 1. Let's set our income. Type in cell A1, monthly take-home pay. Type in cell B1, $3,000. Highlight these cells and make them bold. We'll use an example, income of $3,000 per month. You will, of course, use your own number here. Step 2. Create our headers. Click on cell A3 and type category. In B3, type budgeted. In C3, type actual. Make these headers bold and center aligned. We'll have three simple columns: the category, what we budget for it, and what we actually spend, so we can track it later. Step 3. List our categories based on the 50-30-20 rule. Click on cell A5 and type needs, 50%, $1,500. Make it bold and change the cell's fill color to a light blue. First, our needs. 50% of $3,000 is $1,500. Let's list them out below. In cells A6 to A10, type rent, groceries, utilities, car payment, insurance. Click on cell A12 and type wants, 30%, $900. Make it bold and change the fill color to a light orange. Next, wants. 30% is $900. In cells A13 to A16, type eating out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies. Click on cell A18 and type savings and debt, 20%, $600. Make it bold and change the fill color to a light green. Finally, the most important part for your future, savings and debt, 20% is $600. In cells A19 to A21, type emergency fund, Roth IRA, extra debt payment. Step 4. Let's make it smart with formulas. Now, let's add up our budgeted amounts automatically. Click on cell B22. Type the formula, equals sum B19 to B21. Press enter. The cell will show 0 for now. See that? This formula will automatically total our savings category. Let's do the same for wants and needs. Click on cell B17. Type equals sum open parenthesis, B13 colon B16 close parenthesis. Press enter. Click on cell B11. Type equals sum B6 to B10. Press enter. Perfect. Now, as we input our budgeted amounts, these will update automatically. And there it is, your Rise Again budget. Now, for the real talk, your first month using this, your numbers might not fit perfectly into 50-30-20. Maybe your rent alone is 45%. That's okay. The power isn't in perfection, it's in awareness. When you see the numbers in black and white, you can make conscious choices. If your needs are too high, you might have to reduce your wants for a while. The goal is to start the journey, not to get it perfect on day one. The actual column is where the magic happens. At the end of the week, you sit down, open this sheet, and input what you actually spent. That's when you truly take control. To make this incredibly easy for you, I have put a free, direct link to this exact Google Sheet template in the video description below. Just click the link, make a copy, and it's yours to customize. If this guide helped you take the first step towards financial freedom, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. It tells YouTube this video is helpful. Subscribe to Rise Again TV, because next, we're diving into the top 5 side hustles you can start with just a laptop to increase that income number. This is your time to rise again. I'll see you in the next video.